Have you ever thought about using heat to create motion without electricity or steam? That is exactly what our magnetic heat engine does. It works by using a magnet and a candle to make a metal piece move back and forth on its own. Our setup includes a strong magnet, a candle, and a metal piece. When the metal gets hot, it loses its magnetism and falls. As it cools down, it regains magnetism and pulls back up, which creates a cycle of motion. In this video, we will further explain how it works and the real-life application of this technology. That is all from me. Thank you.
The key to this engine is something called the Curie temperature. This is the point where a material loses its magnetism when heated. The candle raises the temperature of the metal, and when it reaches this point, it stops sticking to the magnet and falls. Once the metal moves away from the flame, it cools down and magnetism returns. The magnet then pulls it back up where it gets heated again. This keeps repeating, creating continuous movement.
This process follows the second law of thermodynamics, which basically says that heat moves from hot areas to cooler areas. Here, the heat from the candle spreads out, increasing the system's overall energy. Unlike system engines, which use expanding gases, this system works by changing magnetic properties with heat. Scientists are studying this for new ways to make cooling systems and energy-efficient devices. Now, let's see how it applies in real life.
Now I'm going to explain the real-life application for this project. So this concept is actually use magnetic refrigerant, which is a new way to cool things without using harmful substance. Instead of traditional gas-based cooling, special metals can change temperature when magnetized, making cooling more energy efficient. So another use is waste heat recovery. Many industries like factories and power plants, they release a lot of unused heat. So if we could turn that heat into useful energy, it will make industries much more efficient.
Magnetic heat engine also applies for space technology. In space technology, heat-based magnetic systems can help regulate temperature and generate power in satellites and spacecrafts. This could be really useful in environments where normal cooling systems doesn't work well. As research continues, this technology could play a big role in energy generation, sustainability, and eco-friendly cooling systems in the future.